Have you ever wondered what ChatGPT can do for you or how it can transform your life? It's not just about asking random questions like, can you tell me a joke about broccoli, or can you name the stars in the universe? I'm talking about real transformation. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal 10 ways ChatGPT changed my life and how it can change yours too. Hey friends, welcome back to the AI Mezai channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's not just changed my life, it's completely revolutionized how I approach work, relationships, and even my dreams. Yep, I'm talking about ChatGPT. Now I know there are tons of incredible AI chatbots out there, but ChatGPT was and still is my first love, and it's been a game changer for me in more ways than one. So grab your coffee or your tiger nut drink, you know that's my thing, and let me share with you 10 specific ways ChatGPT has transformed my life, and more importantly, how it can transform yours. Full disclaimer, I've not made a ton of money with ChatGPT or any other AI tool yet, but daily I'm learning and getting better mastering AI tools, and I wanted to share my personal experiences with you, so take this information for whatever it's worth. 1. Launching my social media management agency. It all started with my first AI venture, starting a social media management agency with zero experience. I didn't have a team of writers or designers, zero money, and no fancy devices. All I had was a beat-up iPhone 6 and ChatGPT. From auditing social media profiles for businesses and brands to writing captions for real estate agents to crafting content for wedding planners, ChatGPT was my go-to expert. It helped me serve multiple niches effortlessly, and I was making decent money in my first month. But full transparency here, I eventually quit because I became a slave to the business I created, and honestly, I wanted something more. Nevertheless, it taught me a valuable lesson about scaling smartly and leveraging what's available. And I'd tell you, with all honesty, without ChatGPT, I would never have had the courage or the tools to start that journey. And by the way, if you'd like to learn how to start your own social media management agency from scratch without any money and without any experience and land your first client within the first 30 days, let me know in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to create a step-by-step training video for you. 2. Building Lumina, an AI education-based app. When we had the idea to create Lumina, hyper-personalized AI education app, I had zero experience in coding, app development, or ed tech. Literally zero knowledge about app building. But guess what? ChatGPT was like having a co-founder. It guided me through designing the user interface, data structuring, as well as lessons management, and even breaking down complex AI concepts so I could understand and implement them. This project is not fully out yet as at the time of me scripting this video, but we are very confident it will help a lot of students learn at their own pace. None of this would have been possible without ChatGPT. Literally none. Thank you so much, ChatGPT. Next. Now, I want us to get personal for a little bit. Relationships can be both complicated and tricky, right? Sometimes I struggle to find the right words to express how I feel, especially during conflicts, and I'm sure there are folks like me out there. ChatGPT became my secret weapon. I'd type out how I felt, make sure to give it the full context to ensure it really understands where I'm coming from, and it would help me craft the perfect message that is honest, thoughtful, and empathetic. It saved me from so many miscommunications and has strengthened my bond with my partner. The other day I caught her gossiping about me with ChatGPT, which was really funny to think that not only guys can benefit from it relationship-wise, even ladies can too. 4. Visualizing my goals. Visualization is key to achieving your dreams, but let's be honest, it takes effort. When I get lazy putting up the right mental images, I use ChatGPT to bring my goals to life. Whether it's describing my future AI empire or my dream lifestyle, ChatGPT paints a picture so vivid and visceral, it feels real. And once you can see it clearly, taking action becomes a lot easier. 5. Starting MambaMetrics AI. After I quit the social media management agency, next came my AI automations consulting agency, MambaMetrics AI. ChatGPT has been instrumental in helping me design workflows, explain AI to clients, and build strategies for law firms and entrepreneurs. I was able to land my first client by using ChatGPT to craft high-converting outreach messages that I send to prospective clients on WhatsApp. It's like having a 24/7 business consultant who never takes a day off. Without it, I wouldn't have been able to do any of that. 6. Enhancing my productivity. So, I had recently just launched this brand new YouTube faceless channel, and ChatGPT has been super helpful analyzing thumbnails and brainstorming ideas for video content. It has supercharged my productivity, seriously. It's not just a tool, it's truly a personal assistant who's always one step ahead. Now I think you understand why I call it my first love. 7. Learning new skills. Whenever I want to learn something new, like coding, marketing, or even negotiating, ChatGPT becomes my tutor. It breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons, making learning easy and accessible. Before now, you will have to pay thousands of dollars to an online mentor, and sometimes you might not even get your money's worth. But I have been using the free version of ChatGPT, and it's been truly revolutionary. I can take any topic I'm having troubles with, and ChatGPT will break it down for me. It's why my friends call me the AI Messiah. I'm always finding new use cases with this tool. 8. Staying inspired. Sometimes, when I hit a creative block or feel uninspired, I turn to ChatGPT. It's helped me brainstorm ideas, plan inspiring initiatives, and even write scripts like the one you're listening to right now. If you are not currently leveraging this tool or any other AI tool for that matter, you are seriously being left behind. Millions of people are beginning to integrate AI into their daily lives from every corner of the world, and you should too. 9. Conflict-free decision-making. Making tough decisions can be overwhelming. ChatGPT helps me think clearly by laying out pros and cons and offering fresh perspectives. It's like having a wise friend who's always available. I have to admit that since I started using this tool, I sort of became lazy. I can just get straight to an idea with ChatGPT instead of sitting for hours trying to map out a plan all by myself. If you have any decision you need to make but are having a difficult time coming up with the best possible course of action, just talk to ChatGPT. It's great at giving advice at almost anything. It's insane that it sometimes feels like having your own Aladdin lamp. 10. Growing my personal brand. Last but not least, ChatGPT has been my partner in building my personal brand. From scripting YouTube videos like this one to writing articles and contents, it's helped me craft messages that resonate with audiences. Thank you so much, ChatGPT. So there you have it, 10 ways ChatGPT has really changed my life. There are so many people not fully leveraging this tool and asking, what can it do for me? Well, I've just shared with you some of the ways I'm currently using it so you can draw inspiration from my personal experiences. If you're not already using it, what are you waiting for? Just go to Google and type in ChatGPT. This thing is more than just an AI, it's a gateway to limitless possibilities. If ChatGPT has impacted your life, I'd love to hear your story in the comments. Also, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It helps more people find the video. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep building, and keep being amazing. Peace.